Check mic. Ayan, good morning everyone. Ayan, napakagandang umaga po sa inyo. Pasensya na late today because I was preparing a very special slide for everyone. We're gonna be talking about the contrast of the international market today. Tingnan po natin. Let's try to compare PSE with the international market. Ano po pwede natin? What are the concerning things that we need to check out sa PSE and the international market? So, pakita lang po natin yan ngayon. And of course, ang mga picks natin ngayon. So, pag-usapan natin yan. I'll try to go through sa mga requests ninyo. But we have until 8:40 to check out the requests ng mga tao. So, I'm gonna be reading the requests as fast as I can. For those who are watching the replay, please move your video at around 10 minutes because that's when we will be starting our discussion. Ayan. So, good day, Bull and Bear. Ops, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Inputs po galawan ni IRC kahapon. Advisable ba to reduce my position? I'd say yes, pero ang kagandahan nga, depende nga yan eh. If ever you are into the position as an investor, yeah, you can, pwede mong bawasan and then just buy more if ever you see it balancing out. Problema nga lang yan is paano pag nagbawas ka tapos biglang umakyat. Yun yung problema dyan. So the best really is to just buy more in the future if ever investor ka naman. So far, so good naman ang project nila. Yun nga lang, may delays. Mamaya ka nang magbawas pag nag-rally up na siya. I-check out the video that I have about how to average down without adding funds to your position. So, maganda po yon to help you on the position ng IRC if ever ipit man kayo. Rodrigo, good morning. Addison, good morning. Bossing Trader, good morning. Keting, good morning Sir Lloyd. Okay na yung eToro, nakagawa na po ulit ng account. Alright, good job Keting. Right, this using my link na this time ha. Mac yan, good morning. Marlo Baroro, maing buntag Sir Lloyd. CLC po, palihog. Alright, I'll write these down. Yung mga request ninyo, si CLC. Alright, bilisan ko lang ito kasi medyo kapos tayo sa oras. Joy Ligares, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning din. Roy Minaw, good morning Roy. Ma'am Apple and Laika. Erwin Asedillo, morning. FPH naman from Jimmy Villaflor. Let's check this out. Right, hopefully kasya yung oras natin because we're gonna have a good discussion today. Ernest Agario, good morning Sir Lloyd. Salamat and more power. Thank you too. Judy A, Sir Lloyd, VLL po. Let's check out VLL kung may position na tayo. So far, delikado pa ang posisyon ni VLL. Sana dun sa baba natin pinasok. Mary Gisdalo, good morning po, watching from Taiwan. Ano po magandang price na pumasok kay MPI? Actually, right now, if you can try to bargain for a little bit, pwede naman. But I strongly recommend MPI for investing. So, if you're investing, overall, napakamura niya pa. You don't have to check out your risk if ever investor naman kayo. If you want to trade it, try to bargain for a little bit, right? Para lumiit naman yung risk ninyo. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pero tingnan natin si MPI. Isa yan sa mga recommendations ko for today. Right? So, overall kasi napakamura. I'm just gonna post my recommendations for today. Yan po, nasa chat room. Yan po yung recommendations ko today. Pag-usapan natin yan. Later, Rainer Edward Julieza. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Okay po mag-hold kay Lopez. Thank you. Let's check out Lopez in a while. LPZ. Right. VLL and ISM po from Judy J. Stadeus, right, to VLL and ISM. Sulat natin si ISM. Nagkagulo na naman kahapon sa Billionaires Club dahil sa PLDT versus ISM. Bossing Trader, pa-check po yung sir yung FPI, Holcim, and ECP. Si ECP po, masyado mataas na yan. I recommended it 2 days ago. Nung hindi tayo nakapag-daily grind, andun si ECP sa lista. Ngayon, lumipad na. It's already a missed opportunity. Let's wait for it to do a retracement. Ido Almo, morning Sir Lloyd. Pasuyo po, PHR. Yes, I was looking at PHR kanina. Mukhang maganda naman si PHR. Apajing Lara, hi Sir Lloyd. Natatakot lang ako sa baka mag-FOO na naman sila. Bumagsak na naman eh. Hi Sir Lloyd, pasilip naman si Now. Thanks, bumagsak na naman pala si Now kahapon. Right, so let's check it out. Meron lang ako i-adjust. Napakadali. One moment, please. Alright, so going back. Negros, bumagsak bigla. Alright, Negros Save and Trade. Good morning po. PHE. Hindi ko mabasa. Alright, anyways, Honey, Kabigting, good morning, Coach and Laika. Now and Vol, please. Now and Vol. Tingnan natin si Now and Vol. Now and Vol. And then, Cherry Ann, Diasanta. Good morning, Sir Lord. Please check Meg. Si Meg, medyo mataas pa si Meg eh. Don't wanna go into the position of Meg. Baka mag-bull trap. Meg, Fen, and PHA. Yun si PHA. Okay, si PHA. Pumasok na ako kay PHA kahapon kasama ni Tel. Si Tel umakyat na. So, that's very good. Si PHA hindi pa pumipitek talaga. So, hopefully, the position on PHA will go up. But somehow, so far so good. RBC, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pakisilip po si Pip. Silipin natin si Pip mamaya. Pip. Ayan. Mike Sevilla, morning sir. O nga pala guys, paki-share po ang video. Please share this video, especially the episode today. Right po. Yung lesson natin today is about the international market. We're gonna be talking about it. What can we see? What are the things that we need to consider looking at the international market? So please share the video to your Facebook walls and to your trading groups para naman po yung mga newbies doon. And sa mga gusto magsimula sa stock market, mag-guide naman natin sila. Alright, Judy J. Stadeus, Aleo, good morning. Negros, Fen, pasuyo po, uptrend po ba si Fen? Ayan, sulat. Yeah, actually, uptrend naman si Fen. We'll check out Fen later. Right, nasulat na yan. Mike Sevilla, FGen, and MB, and Food. Alright, si FGen, MB, and Food. Right. Ryan, Jos, Marhay na adlaw, Sir Lloyd. I don't know what that means, but I think that's good. Maayong adlaw. Right? So, good morning. Good day. Judy Jace, VLL ISM po. Paulo Walat, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng Tel. Actually, si Tel, nirecommend ko yun kahapon. Right? So, I went in Tel. I even shouted out to everyone na pumasok ako kay Tel. And so, yun. Ngayon, medyo mataas na si Tel, right? But if you're an investor, I think this is a good time to buy more if nag-investor naman kayo kay Tel. Right? Asan na yun? Pa-check po. Si Bloom, Meme Cruz, good one. Meme or Meme Cruz, right? Pa-check naman si Bloom, right? Tignan natin din si Bloom. Bloom. Asan na ako? Right. Adrian Obed, morning coach, insight sa PX, sir. Right, medyo mataas-taas na to. Right, so maybe I'm gonna be stopping in last three lang muna. Right, tingnan natin if we still have time in a bit. RJ, Sir Lloyd, nag-forex din po kayo? If yes, ano po platform gamit nyo? Nag-forex ako noon. Right, it's a different platform kasi. Yung platform na ginagamit ko, linapitan lang ako na isang trader. Yung platform na ginagamit ko noon is, ang nangyayari kasi noon is their funds. It's the broker's funds. Kinuha nila ako as fund manager, bale. So, nagtutrade lang ako ng funds nila. So, I can't really disclose my my brokerage. So, ngayon, if I want to trade forex, I can use eToro, right? Pwede po pong gawin 'yon. Kaso nga lang si si forex kasi is kailangan day trading eh. Right now, I don't have the time yet to day trade. So, ang ginagawa ko sa eToro is yung stocks lang muna ang tinatrade ko so that mas okay yung position ko, mas makontrol ko. Right? So, yan. Arvic de los Santos, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Kamusta naman si Aba? Thanks. Right, si Aba naman, kamustahin natin. And then last two, Aba. Maing buntag, Sir Lloyd, please check IRC. So, nasulat na natin I think, nasulat ko na si IRC. Wala pa. IRC, kamustahin natin. VLL, ISM, CLC po from Lorraine. Raymond Arano, Sir Lloyd, good morning. MPI, SMPH, and Ali. Right, si SMPH. Right, sulat natin si SMPH and Ali. So, ito lang muna. Hopefully, we still have time. I'll stop with Raymond. I'll read the other requests naman later. So, ayun. If we have time, continue natin. Good morning, Coach Lloyd. Thanks kay Tel. Yesterday, entry at 1047. Nag-sell off ako kay ISM using cut loss strategy on IPITS. Right. So, sell na ba si Green, sir? Pa-chart, please. Alright, si Green is okay. Morning, Sir Lloyd. ATN, San, please. Thanks. Alright, si ATN, isa yan sa recommendations ko today. Just wait for the bounce kay ATN. Tapos, pasukin na natin pag nag-bounce na. Down lot indicator sa CLC, sir. Any thoughts? Yes, I think pabagsak pa si CLC. So, don't enter it yet. Right? So, wag muna natin pasukin. Right, so anyways, let's start with the discussion first. It's already 8:44, right? So, today we're going to be discussing about the international market, right? So, I want to share this. This is a very good thought to open everyone's eyes. Kasi gusto ko po dapat naman talaga let's get rich together. So I want to share to you my yung perspective ko rin nakikita about the international market. So let me share my screen. Hope tama naman. Ayan. So this is the ang una slide po nakikita ninyo is the volume, right? This is the volume that's happening every day sa international stock market. So, the sizes here, ito yung mga sizes, nakikita nyo dyan. These are the sizes. This is by trillion. Yung pinakamalaking mga 1 to octagon, yan, mga pinakamalaking octagons are 20 trillion in volume, right? And then the small ones, ang pinakamaliit is 2 trillion. Right? So, NYSE, Nasdaq, so nasa 10 trillion, 20 trillion dollars. Yan ha, dollars per day ang volume sa international market. Marami pa dyan, Japan, Hong Kong, Shanghai. If napapansin nyo po, wala si PSE. Bakit? Kasi si PSE, let me open my PSE chart. Yan, kung makikita nyo po, si PSE, yesterday, 8.5 billion pesos lang ang volume ni PSE. So, napakaliit po ng volume ni PSE compared to the international market volume. Right? So, wala po sa kalingkingan. Right? This is, wala pa sa 1% ang volume ni PSE. Compare it to the international market. If napapansin nyo po, okay lang ang investing kay PSE, right? Kung makita ang investors, but the traders, napakahirap po mag-trade sa PSE, especially sa mga newbies, di ba? So, this is the reason why. This is one of the biggest reason why napakahirap mag-trade sa PSE because of the volume. So, if ever kasi maliit ang volume sa isang stock or sa isang let's say sa isang stock. I want to share I want to make a contrast on the ideas. Pag maliit ang volume sa isang stock, hirap umakyat ang isang stock, 'di ba? So, that's the reason why hirap umakyat ang mga stocks sa PSE actually. Kasi napakaliit lang ng volume sa PSE. So I hope you saw this comparison. This is the international market. That's how how big the international market is. Laki ng pera na dumadaloy sa international market, and ganun kaliit ang pera na dumadaloy sa international sa PSE, right? So just a point of comparison how big the international market is. These are the flags of the countries, and ito yung mga katumbas nila na kumpanya in terms of volume, right? So I'll just go to shortcuts. Si Philippines, ayan, yung pinaka-importante kasi we're just gonna be making a comparison about Philippines, right? So I know I've discussed this already, pero po, kung alam nyo po, kung kaya nyo pong hulaan, anong kumpanya lang ang katumbas ng volume ni PSE? Right? What company? Ang parehas ng amount. Overall value yan ha. Overall value ni PSE. Isang kumpanya lang po ang katumbas ng value ni PSE sa international market. That's how small we are. And that company is Netflix. So, very ironic kasi napakaraming Pinoy hilig sa Netflix. So, but yeah, anyways, PSE, alright, the Philippine Stock Exchange, ang katumbas ng pera na nasa loob ng PSE is just Netflix. Ganun po kaliit ang market natin. So, imagine, kahit kung si Netflix lang i-trade niyo, parang index na ng PSE ang tinitrade niyo. So, that's how amazing the contrast is. Ganun po kaliit ang PSE. This is the reason, again, why napakahirap kumita kay sa PSE, 'di ba? The problems in the horizon, wealth inequality. This is what I am really concerned about, right? Wealth inequality, a barrier to realizing the potential. Ito pong study na ito, right? So this study was made by, let me just open my notes. Right. So this study was according to Oxfam. It's a leading poverty fighting organization. 8 men own as much wealth as 3.6 billion people who make up the poorest in the world. So that's amazing. How amazing it is. 3.6 billion people, ang pera nila katumbas lang ng 8 tao sa mundo of the richest. Right? So that's how inequality in inequality in wealth is. 94% of the world's wealth is owned by richest 20%. Totoo yan, right? So the 20% of sila yung 20% ng population ng world, they are the richest, they own, right? Hawak nila ang karamihan ng riches ng mundo. So ganun po kagrabe, right? So, mind the gap, right? The widening wealth inequality. The richest 42 people in the world have as much wealth as the poorest 3.7 billion, half the world population. So, ganun po ang gap natin. Right? And then, ang problema dyan is the rich keeps getting richer. Right? And the poor keeps getting poorer. Bakit po? Because of the access of that riches. Right? Karamihan po ng pera na yan dumadaloy saan? Nandun po sa stock market actually. Right? Nasa international market po dumadaloy ang pera dyan. Right? So, here are the top 3 countries. Right? The percentage of wealth owned up by the top 1% surpassed 50% as of 2016. Share income of top 1%, nasa US yan, Australia, and UK. Andyan po ang pinakamalaki is 1%. And then dito po, lumalaki ang US, Australia, and UK. The other countries, nagsastagnant lang sila. Germany, Denmark, Netherlands. And you look at the gap, palaki ang gap. Totoo po yan. Right, so plus ito po yung isa sa pinaka-concerning natin ngayon. The rise of technological unemployment. Machines to displace 800 million human workers. 20% of global workforce by 2030. Yan po. Yun po yung sinasabi ko lagi sa Financial Freedom 101. If ever po sa trabaho ninyo naging komportable po kayo, you should not be comfortable with your job. Bakit? Bakit? It's because majority of the workers now are being replaced by AI already. A lot of sabi po ni Richard Branson, this is the owner of the Virgin Group founder, yan po yung isa sa mga pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo. A lot of exciting new innovations, grabe po innovations ngayon will make experimenting with ideas like basic income even more important in the years to come. Even in innovations in income, it's gonna be very exciting. But the thought here is, for example, ako po, true story. I worked in a call center. Before I left the company, yung number of teams po na sa pinagtatrabahuan ko po na what do you call this, na program was around more than 30, around between 30 to 40 teams po ang teams. And then 1 year, almost 2 years after I resigned, kinakamusta ko yung mga kasama ko doon, and I found out na less than 10 na lang sila. To be exact, 6 teams na lang ang natira. That is because AI is taking over, right, sa trabaho namin. So that's something you should be concerned about on your job. So please try to look for other means of earning, 'di ba? So this is the reason why I am in eToro. So I want to go back to this right here. Sa pinakaunang part ng slide. Ang pera po ni PSE, somehow dito sa area na ito, Philippines is there's still money flowing. Pero ang kinakita po natin, ang nakakakuha lang tayo ng pera sa PSE lang. So we're just taking a piece of the pie on PSE. This is the reason why I am touching international market, kasi napakalaki po ng pera na nasa international market, and the people taking advantage of this money right here, itong malaking pera na ito, are only those people who are brave enough to get in the international market. That's why I want to open up the idea to all the Filipinos. Let's try to take a piece of that pie. Tikman po natin yan. That's why ngayon ang nangyayari po sa PSE, I'm not very active, I'm not very that aggressive in PSE right now. Naghahanap lang po talaga ako ng positions sa PSE. Yesterday, I opened up a position in TEL kasi napakamura na po ni TEL. Pero po ang nangyayari is, what if walang position ako mahanap? Hindi po gumagalaw ang pera ko. That's why I am tapping into the international market, because napakalaki ng pera doon. I want you guys to take a piece of that pie. Napakalaki po ng pera dyan. Lagay po natin yung paa natin dyan. Tikman naman natin yung pera dyan. Kasi ang mayayaman lang, because they're the only people there. They're the only people there. And I want to carry everyone with me. Testingin po natin ang international market. Kunan po natin ng pera sila. Right? Kasi sila lang yung mayaman. Hingi naman tayo ng pera dyan. And this is the reason why, ayun, si eToro, we're already trading eToro. Congratulations po sa mga nag-copy trade sa akin. So far, our position is starting to gain up again, right? So, yung performance po natin for the past 3 months have been good, right? So, umaakit na po yung gains natin for March. And this is not just my gains. 1.17% for March, 3% and 3% for January and February. Hindi lang po sa akin to, right? People who are copy trading me also, yung mga nakakopya sa akin, actually, sumasama na po sila, right? They're already earning, nakakuha na po sila ng piece of that pie sa international market with me, right? So, I want to invite you guys really to try the international market. eToro has been very, I like their mission, right? The mission of eToro is to give access to people, to everyone, para po maka-access naman po sa wealth that's been circling around sa international market, para maka-access naman tayo mga Pinoy, right? This is very good, right? This is a very good opportunity. Sayang naman po, since 2007 pa po si eToro, ngayon lang po sila talagang nag-push for not just for Asia, for Philippines. We're very fortunate na they stepped into the Philippine population, and tayo po isa sa mga napili nila to really spread out their mission. And so far, so good. Marami na po na mga Pilipino na nasa eToro na nakakatikim na po ng pera sa international market. So, I invite you to create an eToro account. Yan po. Wag naman po natin sayangin yung opportunity sa international market. Napakalaki po ng pera dyan. Let's try to take a piece of that pie. Yan. So, yun po. When you copy trade, I'll go to your questions. That's my point for the presentation today. Yung international market contrast po talaga. Right? So, Abeb Shabeb, sir, anytime po ba pwede mag-withdraw sa eToro? Yes, when you copy trade, will be also copy traded like double copy trade. When you copy trade, will this be also copy traded? Like double copy trade? Hindi ko ma-gets yung question. When you copy trade, will this also be also copy traded? Yeah, actually, meron ako student na kasi si Apple, right? For example, I want to give you this example. Si Apple, yung partner ko, has been copy trading me. Wala po siyang ginagawa, but she's earning already. So let me open up her port. Right, so this is Apple's port. And she's already gaining $157, right? Doesn't look much, but if you want to check out, that's 13% already. In 5 months lang, right? In 5 months lang siya nagkokopya sa akin, she's already earning 13.4%. Wala po siyang ginagawa niyan, right? Kung linagay niyo ito sa Pag-ibig MP2 program, 6% or 7% lang tinubo ng pera niyo. Kung sa bangko niyo po linagay itong pera na ito, I don't know how much lang ang kikitain niyo sa bangko lang. So, in 5 months, she's earning 13.4% just by copy trading. Wala po siyang ginagawa. So, that's the beauty of copy trading. Right, sir, anytime pwede mag-withdraw sa eToro? Yes. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, ma'am. Sir, what are the requirements in opening an eToro account? Opening an account in eToro, kailangan po ng passport, picture ng passport niyo because they need an internationally accepted ID. And then, billing address. Right? So, billing address po ninyo. Sir, thank you, Sir Lloyd. We have the same profit in eToro. You're welcome, Santiago. Sarayan. Right? Sa mga kumukopya, nagka-copy trade sa akin. Sir, congratulations to your earnings. Sama-sama po tayo na yumaman dyan. Right? Sir, correct me if I'm wrong. Ibig sabihin as okay mag-invest sa international market. Yes, definitely. Napakalaking pera po dumadaloy sa international market. Right? Di kaya ibigay ng bank yang kita na yan. Tama. Mas malaki. QQ, sir, may malaki ang question. May malaki ang charge pag PayPal gamit compared sa credit card. Significant ba? Ang problema ko kay PayPal is whenever you withdraw money from PayPal, doon po nagkaka-charge. I forgot how much. I think around sa $1,000, may $70 lang kinukuha. So, that's around 7%. No. What? That's 2,000. That's 1,000. I forgot how much. If is there a PayPal expert here? Do you know how much po charge ni PayPal from transferring money from PayPal to your bank? Magkano po? Let me know. Right? So, yun po yung pinaka-concern lang po natin dyan. Right? If you copy trade and we copy trade you. Yes, yan, makakopya yan. There is someone who's copy trading Apple actually. Kasi akala nila, nag-message sila sa akin, akala nila, ako to sa F-Freedom 101. So, they copy traded Apple, right? Pag copy trade lang kay Apple, since Apple's port is copying mine, nakokopya rin nila yung akin actually. So, if I copy trade someone, right, makokopya niyo rin yung earnings ko nakukuha ko sa kanya. Right? So, yan. Di kaya mas malaki. Sir, since in dollars yung trading, kailangan bang mag-open ng dollar account to withdraw or to transfer to local bank? Hindi naman kailangan. Right? Local bank, pwede naman. Yun nga lang, medyo mabagal ang transactions from international bank to your bank. Lipat na ako sa iyo, coach. Losing streak si Ames Trader. How much, sir, open account with eToro? Opening an account, Beng, is free, right? Yun nga lang, please take note, this is very important. It's 901, so we need to start in a while. 905 will start the recommendations. Opening an account is free. Please use my link. Yan lang po hinlink ko sa inyo. Down at the video description, may link po dyan how to create an eToro account. Please use my link because that is gonna help me in return. Dave Gapo Daddy's morning sir, na-miss ka namin ni Mrs. Good morning sa inyo. Keting sir, na-try mo na mag-withdraw funds from eToro. Kumusta process? How long? Yes, I've already tried it. The processing is like this. Yung may maliit na problema sa processing. So, I want to be transparent with you. There are two things kasi nangyayari sa withdrawals eh. Withdrawal processing, nagagawa ni eToro. That's something in their control. Ang problema lang, in some banks dito, I'm not gonna mention the names of the bank. May mga banks dito na napakatagal mag-process ng international transactions, right? I had a friend of mine na nagka-problema with the withdrawals. It's not on eToro's end. Yung banko nila, since kahit na process na, ang tagal po mag-process ng refunds. Kasi ang ginagawa ni eToro is, if you use your credit card, ibabalik po nila sa credit card mo magkano i-withdraw mo. For example, you deposited $1,000 to them. Right? Now, if you withdraw $500 sa gains mo, example na yung 1,000 mo nag-gain ng $500. If you want to withdraw the 500, yung gains mo, they will return it to your credit card by default. Kung pipiliin mo po ang credit card, i-return nila sa credit card mo. But since it's a credit card, they return it as a refund. And sadly, yung mga bangko, when it comes to credit card refunds, ang tagal po mag-process. Kahit na-process na po ni eToro, yung katagalan po from the bank, kasi usually isang billing cycle yan, linalabas nila yung refund eh. So, medyo matagal. Pero pwede nyo pong lapitan ang bank nyo. Pero bababalik po yan. There are delays there in our banks lang. So, if ever you opt for banking na na yung withdrawal nyo is sa bank nyo naman na option ipipiliin, mas madali po yon kaysa sa ibalik nyo po sa credit card nyo. So, there's merong issues dyan, but overall, the point is, nakukuha po ang pera. May delays lang when it comes to credit cards. Sir, walang eToro sa Canada, may recommend ka bang magandang brokerage dito? Wilma, yan. Do you have any relative you can trust dito sa Pilipinas, like your mom, dad, or brother, sister po ninyo? Pwede po sila mag-create ng account dito sa Pilipinas. Once the account is created here in the Philippines, right, kahit po nasa Canada po kayo, pwede nyo na po ma-access yung copy trading. Right? So, same with other countries, US, Japan, na bawal ang copy trading. Create an account here in the Philippines, and then, once the account is set to Philippines, kahit po nasa labas kayo, kahit nandyan po kayo sa Canada na bawal copy trading, makapag-copy trading na po kayo. Sir, paano penalty mag-hold pila ka-adlaw ang position sa eToro? Wala namang penalty, holding for how many days. Meron lang iba na meron like commodities, or if ever mag-short selling ka because you're borrowing money, or if ever leverage ka because you're borrowing money from the brokerage, meron pong overnight fees yung mga yan. So, yun. Pero normally sa stocks, wala naman. Sa forex, napakaliit lang. Sa commodities, 0.01%. So, if you trade $1, 1 cent lang po ang fees dyan. Right? Hey Sir Lloyd, morning check nyo rin po. Cron, AB, ACB, Mon, and BIV sa international po yan. Paul here from Seattle. Have a great day. Yes, definitely. Right? Apajing Lara, kung credit card po gamit, saan po papasok ang withdrawal? Sa credit card din, if you can opt for credit card, pwede nyo po rin po ang bangko. Right? So, na-divert plan ko to international market. Kailan kayo merong seminar dito? So, seminars, not really sure. Sir, anong international ID pang kailangan open ng eToro? Ginamit ko po noon is my license because it's internationally accepted, pero hinihingin po nila talaga is passport as much as possible. May partner bank ba sa eToro dito sa Pilipinas? As of the moment, wala pa eh. So, there are many questions here about eToro, but sadly, hindi na po kaya na ang oras natin. Right? So, if you have further questions about eToro, send me a message po sa sa account ko, right? Sa messenger ko or sa Financial Freedom 101 page. Anyways, again, please use my link when you create an eToro account. Importante po 'yan. So that you can help me in return, right? So, yun, that's the international market. That's the opportunity I'm sharing to you. Kagandahan ng copy trading is if you copy me, mas okay na po doon. Let's get rich together, ika nga. So, mas madadala ko na po kayo. para po ito talaga sa mga walang oras mag-trade or hindi po kaya mag-trade, especially mga kapatid natin mga FWs. Yung hirap talaga mag-trade kasi walang oras. Let's face it, trading really is a job. Trabaho po yung trading. If you have a different job, mahirap po talaga mag-trade. So, wag niyo pong pipilitin. You can copy trade me instead, right? So, ganun na lang. This is the best way I can help you guys. Just copy trade me. Ako na po magiging fund manager ninyo. Ako na po bahala sa trades. Right? So, yun. Magkano mag-open ng account? It's free, pero to copy trade, ang initial po is 200 USD. Yan po pinakamaliit. Mas okay yata debit card lang and PayPal to local banks. Yes, pwede naman ang debit card. Right, so yan. Let's go to my picks now. Right, so yun yung discussion natin ngayon, kinapos ng oras ha. So, most probably this Saturday, kukumpletuhin ko po itong slideshow na ito. I'm gonna make a video about this, right? Yung overall presentation talaga. Right? So, yan. I wanna go to the chart. And picks ko for today. Here are my picks for today. Abangan nyo po yung video na yun. Maybe I'm gonna go live this Saturday about that. Pag-usapan po natin yan. Mas kukumpletuhin ko po ito. Right? So, here are my picks. Again, I will paste it on the chat room. I am France. I've been copy trading Lloyd for 1 week now. So far, nagka-gain ako 3% of my investment. Yahoo! Right? So, sayang kung maliit lang ilinagay nyo. Yung mga kaibigan ko na napakalaki na linagay to copy trade me, nagsa-celebrate na ngayon. Because we earn. Kahit maliit lang yung nakikita nyo sa akin, we earn in percentage. What if 100,000 ang linagay nyo dyan? What if 1 million nilagay nyo dyan, 3% is gonna be very big. So, depende po yan sa amount of in-invest ninyo. Ano po bank sa Pinas pwedeng gamitin? Any bank, you just use your debit card sa bank nyo and then i-allow nyo po international na transactions sa debit cards ninyo. MPI, FLI, JGS, Ali, Globe, RWM, GMA7, and ATN on the bounce. These are my picks for today. Unahin po natin si MPI. MPI, I'm recommending MPI today kasi overall, right, as an investor, this is a very good position for MPI. Napakaganda ng earnings report ni MPI. Ayan, that should attract more, more investors. Overall po, nasa support area tayo ni MPI. Napakamura pa po ni MPI ngayon. Right, and MPI today, the current position of MPI is still okay. Right? Tanggalin ko lang to. Right, so overall position ni MPI, we are at support area right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That area has been hit 4 times and it's been supporting. Right, meron tayong engulfing pattern, so that's a very good sign for MPI. Medyo mataas na yung risk for traders. You are already 2.86% away from support. So, more or less, ang risk po nyo dito is 6%. But I think that's still okay. If that's not okay with you, you try to bargain. Right? So more or less around 4.63. Pag pumasok yung 4.63, that's a 5% ang risk nyo. That's still okay. Okay risk for me for the overall position. Napakamura pa po ni MPI. Very good company. Right? That's my first pick. Next up is FLI. May question dito, Abating, sir, pwede special session for eToro International Market? Thanks in advance. This Saturday, I'm scheduling a special episode for the international market. Kukumpletuhin ko po itong slide para hindi po bitin. This Saturday. Right, so FLI. Right, so overall, we are at the support levels again of FLI. Napakalapit na po natin ulit. This is a good support. This is an engulfing pattern for FLI. Very good company. Napakaliit po ng risk natin as of the moment. 1.29% away, 2.2% away from support. So that's still tolerable risk overall. So FLI po, good company overall. Napakamura pa ni FLI. So this is a good company to get into today. Kaso nga lang, baka mabagal gumalaw. Yun lang yung concern ko, FLI. Kasi medyo mabagal talaga gumalaw sa FLI. But the risk is very low. Right? So, if ever may extra kayo dyan, you look for low-risk positions, MPI and FLI. Yun po yung pinaka-gusto ko ngayon. Ngayon, si JGS, I'm recommending JGS ngayon. Why? Bollinger Band trigger right here. And we are at MA20 bounces. So, use the MA20 as your support. Just in case it fails, pwede naman po tayong mag-cut loss. Pero the Bollinger Band triggers po ang concern ko dito. Because usually these are significant movements. These usually are signals na pa-uptrend na ang stock ulit. So, after consolidating, we are already playing at the upper Bollinger Band. So, most probably, this MA20 is gonna hold. JGS po, pwede nyo po i-test. Low risk since MA20 is very near. Okay? Ali. Alright, so Ali naman, looking good. We are at a very solid support right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times that support has been hit. We have an engulfing pattern right here. Volume on this bounce is very good. That's signs of accumulation. Pasukin nyo na po yan kasi somehow napakaganda ng volume ni Ali. O nga pala, si FLI. One of the reasons why I'm recommending FLI, hindi pala si FLI yun. Mali. Right, so Ali, that's for Ali. Globe, eto si Globe naman. Right, I wanna recommend Globe today. Why? Very good support area for Globe. Here. So, Globe is starting to form a support. Bollinger Band is telling us na magsa-sideways na siya. And this is a good support area. So, pwede na po natin pasukin si Globe. Let's test out this support. Secondary support is here. So, but eto lang po muna support titingnan ninyo. This is a very low risk position for Globe. Pwede po natin testingin yan. RWM. Right, so RWM, recommending RWM today. Bollinger Band triggers, MA20 bounces. Good volume on this spike of RWM. So, napakaganda po niyan. Very low risk as of the moment. Right, it's just 0.92% away from MA20. So, napakaliit po ng risk ni RWM as of the moment. Very good position to play with. So, RWM is in, eto, last sa mga good stocks, GMA7, right? Massive volume for accumulation. Yesterday, hindi siya gumalaw, so that's a good support. Pasukin nyo po si GMA7. This volume might mean something. If in case we're mistaken, if mali naman tayo, you can always cut your losses. Importante dito is napakaliit po ng risk ninyo with GMA7 for a good company, right? This volume should be something, right? This is something you might want to test. GMA7. Ganyan rin nangyari kay ECP. Right? The past few days, diba? Kahapon, remember, si ECP na-recommend ko dito because of the support. And then there's this spike right here. Usually, that spike with volume is something and nagtuloy-tuloy na. Si GMA7, swerte natin. Maliit pa ang risk kay GMA7. So, this is something we want to test out. So, that's my second to the last recommendation. Lastly, si ATN po. Si ATN, after the Bollinger Band trigger, right, we are nearing MA20. Most probably, this is gonna bounce today. So, ang recommendation ko kay ATN, buy on the bounce. I think it's gonna bounce in the middle of the day. Pasukan nyo po yan. Right, pwede kayo mag-end of the day, kaso nga lang, baka end of the day, mataas na masyado si ATN. Swerte po natin na dito po siya malapit sa MA20. So, if it bounces today, use MA20 as your support. ATN, sabi ko po sa inyo, napakaganda po ng company na yan. So, check out ATN. Right, kamusta Bell? Hold position po ba? Negative 2.70 po position ko kay call. Think Bell still okay. Right, nasa support pa rin naman si Bell eh. Right, so, yeah, MA20 is our support. So, that's still okay. Anyways, nag-spike si Bell to breaking the upper Bollinger Band yesterday. So, most probably, this is a pullback and will bounce later today. So, Bell's still okay for me. Right, so those are my picks for today. MPI, FLI, JGS, Ali, Globe, RWM, GMA7, and ATN po. Ang paborito ko po dyan ngayon is MPI, FLI, and GMA and ATN on bounce. Yun po yung mga paborito ko dyan ngayon if ever you wanna ask. Right, so those are my picks. Again, we want to thank our sponsors, 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. Check them out if you're looking for a broker na mabilis, reliable, and most especially has a mobile app. 2Trade Asia is the brokerage for you. We'll now go to our requests. Ayan. Good morning, Boss Lloyd. Patingin naman po BPI. Tingnan natin yan. Unahin lang po natin muna yung mga naka-request na kanina. Sila po unahin natin. If we still have time after that, we'll go to the request of the others. It's already 9:15 kasi. So, number 1, si CLC. Maraming concern kay CLC. Somehow, ayun, si CLC, when pababa pa sa CLC, it's still on a downtrend. So, no need to be aggressive in CLC. Right, wag muna natin bibilhin. Let's see if it will stabilize anytime soon. I think it should. This is a good company, so nothing to worry about for the investors, right? Very good company, very good investments, very good projects. They are heavy into investment mode as of the moment. So that's still very good. So CLC right now, don't get in. For those na investors kay CLC, I think there's nothing to be worried about. I think that's still gonna be good. Uy, si FPH, very good question. FPH, hindi ko napansin to ah. After a Bollinger Band trigger here, we have an MA20 bounce. Nag-MA20 bounce na pala si FPH. Let's check out our risk. Right, so this is good for FPH, right? So your risk is there, and then kaso nga lang, ito yung ayaw ko eh. I always check out my risk to reward ratio also. Minsan kasi pag ganitong consolidation, it's and then especially pag nasa taas, I don't like these kinds of positions kasi napakaliit ng risk to reward ratio ko. One of the reason why tinignan ko to sa FPH kanina, one of the reason why ayoko ito is resistance is very near, but this is already a higher low, right? This is something you might want to test out. Sa mga alam po ang fundamentals, alam po si FPH talaga. Yung problema ko if ever hindi ko po, I don't know the stock by heart, I tend to have a bias. So, and part of my system talaga is the fundamentals. I have to know the company before I want to recommend them. Sa FPH po, to be honest with you, I haven't studied the company FPH. If you have, and this is something you like, maganda naman fundamentals ni FPH talaga. If this is good for you, then yeah, I think MA20 is good. I think this is gonna spark an uptrend, right? Technical analysis wise, this is gonna go up, right? I think this is gonna go up. MA20 bounce after a Bollinger Band trigger. So FPH is good for those who know FPH. Pwede nyo pong tignan yan. VLL. VLL, uy, nasa MA20 na tayo kay VLL. Let's see if we can see a solid bounce at MA20. Right, so actually nag-bounce sa MA20. If we have a confirmation anytime soon, pwede po natin i-recommend si VLL. Right now, wala kasing confirmation for VLL yet. So that's why hindi ko po nare-recommend si VLL. Malapit na mahinog. May hinihintay lang tayo na condition. Right, so Lopez naman, kind of shaky si Lopez. Maliit ang volume. Maliit naman ang volume sa pula niya. So, somehow, looking good. Hopefully, we get a confirmation na magsusupport siya at hindi magtuloy-tuloy bumagsak. If we get a confirmation, most probably a bounce right here, then Lopez could be something good to enter anytime soon. As of the moment, hindi pa. No need to be aggressive in the PSE right now kasi ang pangit ng volume ng PSE kahapon na nasa 3. Magkano ba yung international foreign volume kay PSE? Napakaliit lang. Right, so ISM, right, so ISM somehow still holding on to that support. Nothing to worry about ISM, nagsusupport pa rin naman. Wala nga lang confirmation pa. Let's see if we can get any confirmation anytime soon. So no need to be aggressive also. Si Holcim, right, may nagtatanong about Holcim. HLCM. Si EW and Popey, tignan po natin yan mamaya. Hopefully we still have time. Right, si Tel, may nagtatanong about Tel kanina. I already recommended Tel yesterday and pinasok ko nga po si Tel yesterday and so far so good. Medyo mataas na po yung daanan natin si Tel. Medyo mataas na po yung position ni Tel ngayon eh. So, this is the support of Tel. Medyo malaki na po yung risk ninyo but overall si Tel napakamura pa po. I will want to recommend for wait to Tel to maybe go back down to support or make a higher low anytime soon. Doon po natin pasukin yan. Holcim, HLCM. Right, si Holcim, maganda naman yung volume ni Holcim kahapon. Kaso nga lang, after the trigger, nag-pull back agad. And now we are at MA20 levels. Let's see what will happen today. If ever mag-bounce to si Holcim, most probably we can test it out, right? So far so good. Constricted Bollinger Band for Holcim, that means this support has been stabilized already. Stable na po ang presyo niya ngayon. Maybe it's gonna go back down to support. Pag nag-bounce yan sa support, that will be our entry point. Ang ayoko dito is nasa resistance levels tayo. It attempted to do breakout yesterday. So that's something good with volume. Right? So, panoorin nyo po ito today si Holcim. Baka mag-bounce. Right? I wanna add Holcim, ATN and Holcim on the bounce. And Holcim. Baka mag-bounce to today si Holcim. Maganda na po ang position niya. Right? Maliit na po ang risk natin pag nag-bounce yan si Holcim. That's a good avenue to test it out. Next sa requests is ECP. Si ECP po, masyadong mataas na. Recommended ECP last Monday at this area right here. And lumipad na siya. So, that's already a high-risk position. Wait for it to do a pullback. May magandang news ngayon si ECP. So, but then again, you have to ask what kind of trader are you? Are you a position trader? If you're a position trader, kahit lumipad pa yan, that's not for you. Okay? Kasi position trader tayo. Right? If you're a momentum trader and you know how to momentum trade, pwede nyo pong tingnan ito si ECP today. Baka magtuloy-tuloy. Right? Hindi ko naman sinasabi kasi na baka bumagsak yan kaya wag niyo pasukin. It's just that you have to know what type of trader you are. If you're a position trader, we have no business here as of the moment. Dito tayo may negosyo kay ECP noon. Right? This is the reason why I recommended it here. Ngayon, this is out of position. That's not our play. If our play will be on a pullback and entry. Right? So right now, I don't want to recommend ECP especially for traders. Meron linabas na news si ECP na maganda. So baka tumuloy-tuloy yung pag-akyat ni ECP. Right? So if you wanna go after it, go for momentum trading strategy. Okay? So chupit lang dyan. Pag umakyat, sakyan nyo and then lumabas ka agad kayo kasi wala tayong base dyan. Next is PHR. Si PHR, eto, nasa support na si PHR. Actually, ang concern ko lang, walang volume plus baka andyan pa rin yung threat ng FOO, baka bumagsak na naman kasi sa FOO niya. So PHR, I am shaky with the position but I could be wrong. You can, if you like PHR, test out the support if you want to. Maganda naman yung support niya. Now Corporation, bumagsak na naman si Now yesterday. Pero maliit lang naman yung bagsak niya. Kahapon nag-Bollinger Band trigger but recovered right away. So right now, I don't want to recommend now. It's still on a downtrend. Alright? So I think this is gonna stabilize anytime soon. So far, maganda naman ang company si Now. So, wala pa. Don't worry, I'll be recommending Now if ever we see a good position kay Now. Right? Vulcan. Right, so Vulcan then same. Bumabagsak si Vulcan, still going down. So I don't want to recommend Vulcan yet. No need to be aggressive on these kinds of stocks. Right, Fen. Right, so we recommended Fen dito sa support. Nag-resist, breakout siya, una. Kaso nga lang nagre-retrace. Let's see. We need further information. If it goes near to support and bounces, that will be your entry point. As much as possible, get in your support. Right now, wala pa eh. Si PHA, pinasok ko po si PHA kahapon because it's still at the support. I'm not recommending PHA today since pula siya, but it's holding the support. Overall, napakaganda pa rin ni PHA actually. Right? So, napakamura pa rin niya with the money that it has right now. So, still good. Right? So, if ever it bounces today, pwede nyo pong pasukin si PHA kasi nasa support pa tayo. It's 9:23, so last 2 lang po muna. Right, wala na po tayong oras. So PIP still at accumulation period. So this support is still holding. Hindi ko alam kailan po gagalaw yan. But what I know about trading is this volume is good. Right, this volume is signs of accumulation. Marami na pong nag-iipon ng PIP. Right? And this position is very low risk. So, pwede po niyong pasukin yan si PIP. Get in the support as much as you can. FGen, right? So, last, si FGen, nagpo-pullback pa. Let's wait for FGen to retrace. Most probably go back near this support right here. This is the support. So, pag lumapit po si FGen dyan, that will be our entry point for FGen. Para maliit po ang risk niya. Then, lastly is MB. Wala na po tayong oras eh. So, MB, nag-bounce na si MA20 si MB. So, you can test this out, right? Pwede nyo po i-testing yan. We discussed about this yesterday. This MA20 bounce was something good and nagtuloy-tuloy naman yung bounce niya. Umakyat kahapon, kaso nga lang nag-retrace ka agad. Use MA20 as your support for MB, right? You can use this area as your support actually, right there. So, kasi Bollinger Band is telling us na magsa-sideways na siya. Alright, so pasensya na if hindi ko po masasagot lahat today. This Saturday, we're gonna have a special episode about the international market. Tatapusin ko lang po yung presentation ko to formalize everything. Right, so PSE somehow napakalipis pa ng volume. No need to be very aggressive in PSE right now. Look for those positions talaga na nasa baba at mura pa. Look for low risk positions as much as you can. Sila MPI, yan po. Sila ATN, yan po. Yun po yung mga gusto kong positions right now. Yun po ang paglaruan ninyo. Huwag kayong maghahabol dun sa taas. Right? So, eToro, create an account using my link. I have a seminar this Friday and Saturday. If you wanna join that, please send me a message. Napakaganda po ng seminar. You can apply it to PSE and even in Forex in international market. It's the same system I'm applying in my international market trading right now. And you can see naman on my statistics that it's working well for me. Hindi nga lang ako ganong aggressive. I can choose to be aggressive in the future. So, slowly, dahan-dahan lang, right? So, congratulations to those who copy traded me. Sa mga hindi pa, create an eToro account using my link. I'll see you again tomorrow, same time. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye-bye.